Hi all. CAT has recently released a very important document which is going to be implemented in this year's CAT only. That is which is supposed to be conducted on 29th of November this year. So now where will you find it? It is on their website only. So as you can see, this is the URL of the website iamcat.ac.in. If you go at the bottom of the page, you will find media release. If you click on media release, you will find a PDF which says all the changes which are there. The first change, that is they have extended the form filling date till 23rd of September. So those who have not yet filled CAT can do it till 23rd of September. So they have their own time. Second, if after filling up the form, after submitting the form, if few students find that there are certain issues in terms of photograph signature, test city preferences that they want to change, they can do so even after registration. So there will be a short window to edit such things. Now the most important thing is CAT this year is not gonna happen for 3 hours. It will happen for 2 hours, that is 120 minutes. Now this is the major change which CAT has taken considering the COVID-19 situation. Not only this, they have changed the 1 hour each section slot to 40 minutes to each section. So the sectional timing now is going to be 40 minutes, 40 minutes for verbal RC, 40 minutes for DI reasoning, and 40 minutes for quant. So total 120 minutes, that is 2 hours for this paper. Now number of questions in each section, this is not given, this is not yet released. So what the website has to say that it will be updated in October 2020. So by October 2020, there will be tutorials which will be describing how many questions will be there and how many total questions will be there. Correct. Now what we are predicting is if in case the number of questions and the time has changed, so what we are predicting that there will be around 22 questions. So generally the logic is very simple, 34 questions in 60 minutes. So 22 to 23 questions in 40 minutes. So what we are considering is 22, 21 and 22 as the three questions. So 22 questions in verbal RC, 21 questions in DI reasoning, and 22 questions in quantitative ability. So the total number of questions will go down to 65 questions. So the questions may change. This is just an approximate idea which I am giving it to you. This may differ, but there was an year when CAT had 20 questions in the three sections. So there has been years, there has been certain parts of CAT where they have had 20 questions in CAT, so 60 questions in total. So yes, this can again repeat with 22, 21 and 22. That is total 65 questions in CAT. And based on this 65 questions, the CAT is going to judge for your percentile. Okay. Another important thing, last year CAT was conducted in 2 slots on the D day. This year it is going to be conducted in 3 sessions. So 3 sessions, the timing that I am considering, I am hoping is going to be 9 to 11, 12 to 2 and 3 to 5. So there will be 3 slots for this test, and the students, because the number of test centers are going to reduce, and since the number of test centers are going to reduce, or the number of students per slot to be accommodated is going to be reduced, they have decreased the time required for the paper and they have increased the number of sessions. It might happen that the number of labs will also decrease, hence they might want to increase the number of sessions, and hence they want to decrease the amount of time allotted for each section. Also, this step is going in favor of the students. So students, don't panic, don't change your preparation, only time duration has changed. So don't worry at all. You are going in right direction. Keep focused. You may or may not have to increase your speed, but keep focused. Don't panic. This is good step and this is going in your favor. You don't have to build now a 3-hour stamina. You have to only build a 2-hour stamina, and this is very good, very nice. So keep working, keep doing hard work. So that's it from my side. Keep watching this YouTube channel and we will keep updating you for any changes that happen in future. Okay, bye bye, take care, all the best.